हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए कुछ बायोडाइवर्सिटी रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर द स्टूडेंट हु पार्टिसिपेट इन द स्टेट लेवल बायोडाइवर्सिटी क्विज। देन आई विल स्टार्ट, ओके? First of all, what the meaning of the biodiversity and what are their levels? Biodiversity, it is a variety of life on earth. All plants, all animals, all microorganisms and their interrelationship constitute biodiversity. Okay? There are three levels of biodiversity: genetic, species, ecosystem. In detail, the level of biodiversity. These one are the variety of mango: Neelam, Langda, Totapadi, Dasahari, Alfonso, and we know that Alfonso is the king of the mango. And these one are the variety of rice: Chinnor, Kali Mooch, Vishnu Bhog, Bashmati, Jeera Shankar. And these one are variety of cattle. It means species of cattle: Jersey, Sahiwal, Malvi, Nimadi, Kenkatha, Holstein, Friesian. In detail, species diversity, ecosystem diversity in detail, and all other types of biodiversity like floral, faunal, agro, horticulture, domesticated, aquatic. Floral means plants, faunal animals, agro agricultural related crops, etc. Horticulture means fruits, vegetables, flowers. Domesticated cattle, pet animal, etc. Aquatic organism या biodiversity that origin from the water. These are the pictures of floral biodiversity like plants or these are the pictures of some animals. These are the picture of some agricultural crop. These are the picture of like fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers, achromatic plants. These are the domesticated biodiversity, all cattle. These are the aquatic biodiversity, fishes. This is food web. And what is a food web? Network of food chains. Okay? Guys, pause करके से पढ़ना. It's very important information about the India. There are 4 hotspots of biodiversity in India. First one is Eastern Himalaya, second one is Indo-Burma, third one is Western Ghats, and last one is Sundaland. Okay? And India is one of the 17 mega diverse country of the world. Okay? And one of the world's 8 Babylonian center of the organ species of agriculture crops and 320 species of their relative known to originated here. It's a very important information about the India that is very helpful in the biodiversity quiz. Okay? In India, we already discussed about the biodiversity of India, and now we discuss about the biodiversity of Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, there are 10 national parks and 25 wildlife sanctuaries. And Madhya Pradesh situated at the cross junction of the 2 hotspots of biodiversity, the Eastern Himalayas and the Western Ghats. Largest producer of the oilseed and pulse. Our Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of oilseeds and pulse. It's very important. In Madhya Pradesh, 500 bird species, 180 fish species, 1000 medicinal plants are found. Next. Okay. Native breeds of cattle in Madhya Pradesh: Malvi, Nimadi, Gaulao, and Genkatha. And the buffalo breed in Madhya Pradesh is Vadavari. And the god breed is Jamunapari. Found in Bhind and Gwalior. Kadaknath is native breed for poultry farming, famous for black meat, that is found in Jhabua district. It's very important Kadaknath hen. It's a species of hen. Very important. Many questions are put up from the Kadaknath. Importance of biodiversity for providing service, for regulatory service, for supporting service, for cultural service. Then we read in the detail about the importance of biodiversity, like regulatory service, they're there, and supporting service in there, cultural service in there, in detail, health security. गाइस पॉज करके से पढ़ना बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेगा आपके लिए. फूड सिक्योरिटी, threats to biodiversity. It's a very important topic. First one is reducing forest cover, population pressure, change in land use pattern, invasive alien species like Lantana camera, Parthenium, Apitorium, Acornia, etc. Pollution and climate change. Changing agriculture practices like burning of fields, monocropping are the major cause to threat the biodiversity. Use of fertilizer, pesticides, insecticide, weedicide are reduction of the soil health and microbes. They are the major cause of the threat of biodiversity. These are the picture. Cutting of forest is a major problem. Read it. Reducing forest cover, burning of forest. This is not good. Lopping of trees there. The picture of threat from the invasive alien ship. It's very important. In 1992, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, there is Convention of Biological Diversity for the conservation of biodiversity. Prithvi Sammelan organized. When Biological Diversity Act launched 2002. At the national level, National Biodiversity Authority Chennai, and at the state level, State Biodiversity Board. At the in detail, National Biodiversity Authority (NVA), State Biodiversity Board in detail. What are the work? Biodiversity Management Committee. What the work in detail? It's also a very important question. When MP State Biodiversity Board constitute? The answer one is 11th April 2005. In detail, read it, okay? Read it. Read it. It's also गाइस, इस वीडियो को पढ़िएगा, पॉज करके इन्हें पढ़िए. इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर देयर टुमारो क्विज. ऑल नो कल बायोडाइवर्सिटी क्विज है स्टेट लेवल पर. देन ये आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी. देन पढ़िएगा, ओके? Thank you, friends, and wish you all the best for the tomorrow quiz. Okay, thank you. And if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends to get knowledge about the biodiversity. It's very good information about the biodiversity. Okay, thank you.